Have you ever used a map on your phone to zoom in on a neighborhood or click on a location to get more details? That's interactivity in action. In this lecture, we will explore advanced visualizations and interactivity, focusing on how these tools like dynamic charts, interactive dashboards, and drill down options turn static data into actionable insights. You will understand the purpose of advanced visualizations and interactivity, learn about dynamic charts, interactive dashboards, and drill down options. Explore use cases for these features to enhance decision making. Advanced visualizations go beyond static charts and graphs. They offer interactivity, real-time updates, and the ability to explore data dynamically. This makes it easier to identify trends, uncover details, and act on insights. Advanced visuals reveal relationships and patterns often hidden in traditional reports. For example, in GA4, heat maps and user behavior reports show peak activity times, helping you identify when your website gets the most traffic. Unlike static visuals, advanced tools let users explore data dynamically. Filters, drill down options, and live updates allow decision makers to focus on specific areas. For example, in GA4, using the Exploration tab, you can apply filters to analyze user behavior based on demographics or traffic sources. Multi-dimensional datasets become easier to analyze when presented in intuitive formats, like scatter plots or interactive dashboards. For example, in GA4, a scatter plot can reveal the correlation between user sessions and conversion rates. Dynamic charts are visualizations that change based on user input or real-time updates. They make exploring and interpreting data more intuitive. In GA4's Exploration tab, you can create a dynamic line graph to track website traffic over a custom date range. Adjust filters to compare campaigns, devices, or regions. Customize views to focus on specific data points. Spot trends, seasonal patterns, or sudden spikes in traffic. Make data-driven decisions faster. Interactive dashboards combine multiple visualizations in one place and allow users to explore data independently. They often include features like filters, search options, and clickable elements. GA4 dashboards, like the Acquisition Overview, allow you to analyze traffic sources alongside user engagement metrics. Filters narrow results by audience, location, or device. Drill down options click on a traffic source to view pages visited by those users. Real-time updates automatically refresh data to reflect campaign performance as it happens. Empower users to explore data without relying on static reports. Provide a single, comprehensive view of multiple KPIs. Drill down functionality enables users to click on a data point and explore its details. This is invaluable for moving from high-level overview to actionable specifics. In GA4's event reports, you can click on a specific event like Add to Cart and drill down to see your user demographics, session durations, or paths leading to that event. Understand the root causes of trends, analyze user behavior to refine strategies, save time by reducing the need for multiple reports. Advanced visualizations can transform decision making across industries. Interactive dashboards let marketers track campaign performance in real time. For example, in GA4, compare engagement rates by platform and adjust your strategy to focus on top performing channels. Dynamic charts show real-time patient outcomes. For example, a hospital might track patient data like vital signs and respond immediately to anomalies. Drill down options help analyze sales by store, product, or season. For example, in GA4, use drill downs to identify which regions perform best during specific holidays, optimizing inventory for the next season. Choose a dataset in GA4, for example, traffic sources, event reports, or conversions. Design an interactive dashboard that includes dynamic charts for tracking trends, filters to narrow data by audience, region, or channel, drill down options to analyze granular user behavior. Write a one-page explanation detailing your choices and the insights your dashboard provides. Advanced visualizations and interactivity transform static data into actionable insights. In this lecture, we explore dynamic charts, interactive dashboards, and drill down options. Which advanced visualization feature in GA4 excites you the most? Can you think of a scenario where interactivity would improve decision making? Share your thoughts in the comment section.